नमस्ते, मैं हूं पायल रोहातगी। आज मैं आपके साथ बात करने वाली हूं अबाउट एन इम्पॉर्टेंट बैकबोन ऑफ अ बॉलीवुड फिल्म। बॉलीवुड फिल्म को प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है बाय अ प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्ट किया जाता है बाय अ डायरेक्टर, उसके अंदर एक्ट करते हैं एक्टर एंड एक्ट्रेसेस। मगर एक्चुअली द बैकबोन ऑफ अ बॉलीवुड फिल्म, बॉलीवुड प्रोजेक्ट इज द फाइनेंसर। कौन पैसा टेबल पे लेके आ रहा है? Financiers are usually people who don't want to come in the limelight. These days, obviously, financiers are also coming into limelight because that's the way it's going. तो फाइनेंसर्स जो फाइनेंस करते हैं बॉलीवुड फिल्मों को, दे आर द बैकबोन ऑफ अ बॉलीवुड प्रोजेक्ट। आज मैं आपके साथ बात इसलिए इस टॉपिक के ऊपर कर रही हूँ बिकॉज बहुत सारी एक्ट्रेसेस जो हिंदी भी ढंग से नहीं बोल सकती, उनको फिल्में मिलती है बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री के अंदर बिकॉज प्रॉबेबली दे हैव गुड रिलेशन विद rich financiers, and rich financiers are ready to put money on these actresses maybe because they have relationship with them or they are having an affair with them. Rich financiers are obviously putting money into a project where actresses are acting, वो एक्ट्रेसेस जो हिंदी भी नहीं बोल सकती या नॉट इवन इंडियन बाय बर्थ एंड दे आर वर्किंग इन इंडियन बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स बिकॉज दे हैव गुड रिलेशंस विद द फाइनेंसर। यहाँ पर आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी पासिंग एनी पर्सनल कमेंट्स, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू अ फैक्ट। जैसे हमको पता है कि कास्टिंग काउच एग्जिस्ट करता है बॉलीवुड के अंदर, जैसे हमको पता है कि नेपोटिज्म एग्जिस्ट करता है बॉलीवुड के अंदर, मगर नेपोटिज्म में भी आप कुछ हद तक काम ले सकते हैं, आफ्टर दैट इट हैज़ टू बी टैलेंट। तो उसी तरह से फाइनेंसर्स हु आर द बैकबोन ऑफ अ बॉलीवुड फिल्म, वो फाइनेंसर्स के रिलेशंस हो सकते हैं विद बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस एंड विद बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स। आज मैं बात करने वाली हूँ अबाउट ए ग्रेट बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस जैकलिन फर्नांडिस। इन्फॉर्मेशन ये है दैट शी वाज हैविंग अ रिलेशनशिप विद सुखेश चंद्रशेखर and he has been accused of a 200 crore extortion case. Pictures Jacqueline और सुखेश चंद्रशेखर के शेयर करे गए हैं by India Today. Jacqueline Fernandez was also questioned for 7 hours by ED, ये हम सबको पता है, in connection with 200 crore extortion case involving conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar and his wife actor Leena Maria Paul. Now Jacqueline Fernandez is not Indian by birth, I think she's Sri Lankan by birth. But she is working with all the A-grade actors and she has made a name for herself. मगर जब उनकी शुरुआत हुई तो उनको किस बेसिस पे काम दिया गया? Did she bring the financer to the table? Was it her talent? What was it that actually got her the first Bollywood film? I don't know. I am not going to be making any assumptions. I'm not going to be making any personal attacks, but we all know with whom she has worked over her career span because we all can see that on public domain. मगर इतना ही कहना है that financiers play a very important role and I really don't know what kind of role Sukesh Chandrasekhar had played in getting Jacqueline Fernandez the kind of movies that she is a part of. Did he put the money on the table? I don't know. In the charge sheet by Delhi police has accused Sukesh Chandrasekhar and 13 others of duping the wife of former promoter of Ranbaxy to a tune of 200 crore. Officials believe Chandrasekhar extorted 200 crores from the complainant by claiming that he would facilitate her husband's release from the prison. अपेरेंटली इंडिया टुडे ने बाद में कॉनमैन सुखेश चंद्रशेखर की लग्जरियस लाइफ स्टाइल इनसाइड तिहाड़ जेल, उसको भी सीसीटीवी कैमरा पे जो फुटेज थी उसको भी शेयर किया है विद पिक्चर्स। यहाँ पर CCTV footage shows Chandrasekhar was using the barrack alone, which was meant to be shared by dozen of inmates. According to the sources, he had access to mobile phone. The area around his bed was covered with curtains to hide that. The conman was reportedly giving 60-70 lakh per fortnight as a bribe for a mobile phone which he was using to con the businessmen kept inside the jail for some crime. Moreover, Sukesh Chandrasekhar's jail cell was allegedly covered with bed sheets to ensure CCTV cameras failed to capture illegal activities that were underway. अब आप समझ सकते हैं कि क्या क्या होता है जेल के अंदर भी, पुलिस भी ब्राइब लेती है एज पर दिस इंफॉर्मेशन। दिस व्हाट इज द केस? ये केस तो अभी आपको समझ पड़ गया होगा। केस ये है कि दिल्ली पुलिस ने चार्जशीट फाइल करी है अगेंस्ट कॉनमैन सुखेश चंद्रशेखर, हिज वाइफ लीना मारिया पॉल एंड 12 others for duping the wife of former promoter of Ranbaxy, Malwinder Mohan Singh. Anand Malik, the lawyer representing Sukesh Chandrasekhar, has told the media that Jacqueline and Sukesh were dating. These are my instructions. This is straight from the horse's mouth. अब ये information Sukesh Chandrasekhar के lawyer दे रहे हैं. Now Sukesh Chandrasekhar has a wife, as we all know, but he was dating Jacqueline. Now why was Jacqueline dating Sukesh? I don't know. She was obviously dating a married man. She could be in love with him. But यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ कि Jacqueline, being a non-Indian actress, who could not even speak Hindi fluently, got her breaks in Bollywood films, Salman Khan films. तो किस तरह से उसको मिली? Because I'm not going to make any assumption, but this is for everybody to kind of decode and understand how these actresses got work in Bollywood. Now, if Sukhesh Chandrasekhar is extorting 200 crore, then 3, 4, 5, 10 crore, you know, Jacqueline को देना उसकी film start करने के लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is basic common sense. Now, Jacqueline के spokesperson ने कहा है that Jacqueline Fernandez is being called to testify as a witness by ED. She has duly recorded her statements and in future will also completely cooperate with the agency in the investigation. Jacqueline categorically denies alleged slanderous statements made about her relationship with the involved couple. Besides Sukesh, MCOCA, Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act, was invoked against 10 other people in the case, including wife Leena. Delhi Police Economic Offences Wing, EOW, also arrested several Tihar jail officials in connection with extortion case. The investigators found that Sukhesh Chandrasekhar was given a separate cell by the accused jail officials and provided a cell phone with a SIM card from foreign country. This phone was allegedly used for extortion related calls. EOW also found that Chandrasekhar was kept out on parole for 6 months. On few occasions, guests were also allegedly involved in his jail cell. During interrogation of Sukhesh Chandrasekhar, he reportedly claimed that he made monthly payments in crores to Tihar jail officials for their help. तो आप समझ सकते हैं किस प्रकार से corruption किस level तक है. Jail officials were taking money from a कैदी who was inside the jail for extortion, 200 crore extortion case. दूसरा, सुखेश चंद्रशेखर के जो pictures हैं with Jacqueline Fernandez, they are obviously in a very intimate posture. And Jacqueline Fernandez should not be clicking such pictures with men who are married if she is not dating them. Simple as that. Why was Jacqueline posing like that? That is her personal life, but because those pictures are out in public domain and because Jacqueline is a successful A-grade Bollywood actress and we all know that financiers are the backbone of a Bollywood project, they are the ones जो table के ऊपर पैसा लाते हैं. So I think a lot of things should be clear to the public audience about how films are made in Bollywood. I also want to come back and act in Bollywood films because acting is my passion. I love acting. So you have to understand that जिनको actually काम करना होता है वो क्यों काम नहीं कर पाते हैं and जो actually काम कर रहे होते हैं वो किस वजह से कर रहे होते हैं. There are various reasons why a certain actor is working and there are reasons why a certain actor is not working. I think I am resting my case. समझदार को इशारा काफी है. नमस्ते, जय हिंद.